The Supreme Court has first found that there is a prima facie case for stay on certain provisions. They have not stayed all the provisions, the complete act, but certain provisions have been stayed, like the provision that said that you have to be a Muslim for 5 years have been stayed because there is no mechanism to determine whether the same can happen or not, to determine whether someone has been a Muslim for 5 years or not. Apart from that, the provision 23C, the court has said that until unless there is a mechanism devised, no third party interest can be created. Nothing can be, the people cannot be dispossessed of their Waqf properties. As far as non-Muslim members are concerned, the court has said that in the Waqf board it cannot be more than 3 and not more than 4 in the section 9. And on the registration, the court has apparently extended the time limit but has not stayed the provision.
So there was a contentious issue inquiry by the DM. Has anything been said?
So on that, it has been said that the executive cannot take the role of the judiciary and have in a way stayed the provision until a proper mechanism is devised, and that is why I said no one can be dispossessed of their Waqf property in this matter.
And what about the members of the Waqf board?
The 3 in not more than 3 in the Waqf board can be non-Muslim members.
And how do you see this order, sir?
I am very positive. We'll have to read it. It is a lengthy order, the chief has informed us, and we'll read it, but it looks like a balanced order. This can be termed as a victory for us.
Sir.